Trending stocks refer to those equities experiencing significant attention and activity within the financial markets. These stocks often capture the interest of investors due to various factors, contributing to their popularity and potential for price movement. Let's explore how each of the provided sub-keywords relates to trending stocks. 1. Stock market trends. Trending stocks align with broader market trends, either within specific sectors or the overall market sentiment. 2. Popular stocks. Trending stocks are typically popular among investors, attracting attention due to their performance or market buzz. 3. Market buzz. Trending stocks generate market buzz through news, social media, or other channels, driving increased interest in trading activity. 4. Hot stocks. These are synonymous with trending stocks, denoting equities experiencing rapid price movement and heightened investor interest. 5. Stock price movement. Trending stocks exhibit significant price movement, either upward or downward, reflecting changes in investor sentiment and market dynamics. 6. Trading volume. Increased trading volume accompanies trending stocks, indicating heightened market activity and liquidity. 7. Investor interest. Trending stocks capture the interest of investors due to factors such as earnings reports, product launches, or other significant developments. 8. Social media mentions. Trending stocks often gain attention on social media platforms, where users discuss their potential, contributing to their popularity and momentum. 9. Analyst recommendations. Analysts may issue recommendations or reports on trending stocks, influencing investor sentiment and market perception. 10. Sector performance. Trending stocks may belong to sectors experiencing strong performance or undergoing significant changes, driving increased attention and activity. 11. Market sentiment. Trending stocks reflect prevailing market sentiment, with positive sentiment driving upward momentum and negative sentiment contributing to declines. 12. Momentum stocks. Many trending stocks exhibit momentum, characterized by sustained price movement in a particular direction, attracting further investor interest. 13. Breakout stocks. Some trending stocks experience breakout patterns, where they surpass key resistance levels, signaling potential for further price appreciation. 14. High volatility stocks. Trending stocks often exhibit high volatility, with prices fluctuating rapidly due to market dynamics and investor sentiment. 15. Stock market news. Trending stocks are frequently covered in financial news outlets, with developments and updates influencing market sentiment and investor behavior. In summary, trending stocks encompass a diverse range of equities experiencing significant attention, trading activity, and price movement within the financial markets, driven by various factors including market trends, investor sentiment, and news coverage.